Hello everyone, my name is Umar. Today we are going to discuss about file system versus database systems. So first we can see traditional file systems. Each file is independent of their file. Integration can be done only by writing individual program for each application. Any change to the data requires modifying all the programs that uses the data. Because each file is hard-coded with specific information like data type, data size, etc., identified on a trial and error basis, creates, process, and disseminates its own files. Inventory and payroll generate separate files and do not communicate with each other, simply to operate better local control data of the organization in dispersed throughout the functional and subsystems. These are the way of traditional file system works. Example of a file system. You can see the example here, like marketing application program file 1, file 2, file 3, and with a manufacturing block application program file 1, file 2, file 3 example. Next, inventory application programs like file 1, file 2, file 3. Next one is payroll application program file 1, file 2. This is the example for file system. We can see the file manager image of how our file system works. Here we can see many folders. In that we can open any file. Next, disadvantages of a traditional file system. Traditional file system is a data redundancy, data inconsistency, lack of data integration, program dependency, data dependence, limited data sharing. It has poor data control. We can have problems of security. In traditional file system, data manipulation capability is inadequate. In traditional file system, needs excessive programming. These are the disadvantages of a traditional file system. Next, moving to database management system. The representation of DBMS is given here. Like the outermost layer is a database. Within the database, there are many blocks of data. Here we can see the users and application programs, which can be softwares which can be used by users to access the data over the database or hardware. So we can see the examples of for DBMS, like this is how the database works. You can see the right side central database server having like 4 servers. In the middle we have the DBMS, which is a database management system. We have sales manager who needs access to stock levels. The middle one is customer service advisor, needs access to customer accounts. The topmost one is payroll officer, needs access to staff details. This is an example for DBMS. Next, coming to advantages of database systems. Database systems are controlled redundancy. These have data consistency. In database systems, program data is independent. In database systems, sharing of data is easy. Enforcement of standards, improved data integrity. Data access is very efficient in database systems. And conflicting and requirements can be balanced in database systems. In database systems, improved backup and recovery facility is available. Minimal program maintenance is available in database systems. In database systems, data quality is high, good data accessibility and responsiveness, concurrency control, economical to scale, increased programmer productivity. These are the advantages of database system. So, any software can have advantages and disadvantages. Now we see disadvantages of database systems. Complexity increases, requirement of more disk space. Due to database systems should have more data to be stored, they require more disk space. So it is a disadvantage of having more disk space. And additional cost of hardware. Database systems require more hardware. These hardware cost a bit more. Next, cost of conversion. Need of additional and specialized manpower, need for backup and recovery, organizational conflict, more installation and management cost. Thank you.